Hello, students, and welcome to day 4 of pronouns. Okay, day 4. Today, we'll be doing all the kinds of pronouns. We'll finish with all the kinds of pronouns today, and further, we'll proceed to do some exercises, mixed exercises, knowing more about pronouns, the usage of pronouns. We'll be doing a lot of exercises today. And at the same time we'll complete the remaining 3. Quickly we'll brush up what we had done in our previous classes, so that we'll take from the beginning. What are pronouns? Words that are used instead of nouns. Then we had learned about the kinds. There are in total 10 kinds. We've done 7. So we've done personal pronouns, then we have done interrogative pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, possessive pronouns. Okay. Then we had done relative pronouns, and we had done reflexive and emphatic pronouns. Today we'll be doing the other 3, and I'll display a PDF to you all, and post that we'll get into the details. Okay, children. We'll go into detailed learning. So here the PDF is, and I'm sure it's quite visible and clear. Okay, today we'll be learning about the other 3: distributive, reciprocal, and indefinite. So what are distributive pronouns, children? Distributive pronouns, they denote or they tell us persons or things taken as a single or in groups. Now let's see an example. Each of you must be present on the occasion. Now each stands for each everyone who is present over there. Okay, they are indicating many as each. Okay, now all of you have been called now, with indicating everyone as one. Neither of the pens is writing, taking it into single count. Neither, not even this, not that. Neither of the pens is working. Let's see the uses of distributive pronouns. They refer to whole amounts. What are the whole amounts? Both and all. And to separate items, every and each, either and neither. Okay? Either, neither, every, each, both and all are distributive pronouns, children. Okay? So they denote the distribution singly or in groups. Let's see what reciprocal pronouns are. Reciprocal pronouns, they refer to pronouns that indicate actions going in one direction and also in the opposite. Means you have those two pronouns, going in opposite directions. Okay, two, one direction and the opposite. Let's see, they always appear together. The teacher scolded Rani and Ritu since they were talking to each other. Okay, both of them. We should help one another in crisis, in difficult situations, one another. So we'll see the uses of reciprocal pronouns. When do we use? They are used when a subject constituting two or more people, beings, or things have been mentioned in the main clause, the that part of the sentence which can stand by itself. Okay, each other and one another are reciprocal pronouns. Each other is used when two people are involved. One another is used when more than two people are involved. So what clarity they have given here? When do you use each other, children? We use each other when there are two people who are involved in the sentence. But when you have more than two people, you will use one another. Okay, children. Now let's go on to learn about indefinite pronouns, which is the last kind. Okay. And then we'll proceed on to do exercises. Indefinite pronouns are the pronouns that refer to one or more unspecified beings, objects, or places. I have bought everything you might need for the journey. So they are not being specific. Okay. So they refer to one or more unspecified object or beings or places. Some examples of indefinite pronouns are all, any, another, anybody, anyone, anything, each, many, no one, none, few, little, one, other, several, some, more, somebody, someone, something, everybody, everyone, everything, and nothing. So all these come under the head of indefinite pronouns when when the thing that they are specifying is unspecific, when they are indicating something which is unspecific. Could be objects, could be beings, or could be some place. Okay. Now let's move on to do the exercises. Now, does dash have a pencil? You have been given in the bracket. Okay. Does anyone have a pencil? Okay, children. Now, next, let's see. Rima bought dash she liked at the fair. If she has liked something, so she will buy and everything she liked at the fair. But nothing she liked at the fair will be wrong. Okay. Dash of you must bring a bottle of water. Any of you must bring, or each of you? Tell me, children. You have guessed it right. Each of you must bring a bottle of water. Children, you can pause the video and you can do the exercise quickly, and then you can match up with me. Okay, the exercises, and find out the correct answers. I did not see dash from my school at the science festival. I did not see anybody from my school at the science festival. Dash from the management should give us information about the situation. Anybody or somebody, children? The answer is somebody from the management should give us information about the situation. Dash of you can come along with me to the principal's room. Every of you cannot use that. The correct answer is either of you can come along with me to the principal's room. The last sentence, though many movies are running in the theater, I don't want to see dash of them. Any of them. Not many of them, any of them. Okay, children? Now we'll do the next exercise. Fill in the blanks with appropriate pronouns and write their types. Okay, now we have to do these. Okay, the first one has been done for you. Seema dash is my classmate, has shifted to our neighborhood. Who? And you have used relative. Now you will use the next one. Do you want to speak to me? So the me will be personal pronoun. Okay. I dash heard her say that. I myself heard her say that. I myself heard her say that will be emphatic pronoun. This is the dress which was bought by aunt, which is relative pronoun. It's a relative pronoun. Dash was a cold and dark day, dark night. It was a cold and dark night. So it is personal. Okay. Come, moving on to the next. Dash expressed his ideas clearly and eloquently. He or she. Okay. Oh, sorry. He, because your his ideas is given. Okay. He expressed his ideas clearly and eloquently. So you will use he here, and he will be, you will use it as personal pronoun again. We often deceive dash ourselves. We often deceive ourselves is reflexive pronouns. It's a reflexive pronoun. Suman has got gifts for herself as well as for all of us. Again, herself is reflexive pronoun, children. Okay? So, we're done with this exercise. You'll fill them with pronouns and you'll write their kinds. Okay, children, we'll move on to the next exercise. Now, already the pronouns are highlighted in bold. Okay, so are highlighted in bold and you have to state its kind. Okay, first one has been done for you. Who wishes to see me? Who is an interrogative pronoun. Let's see the next one. You are my best friend. Okay, so you is personal pronoun. John hit himself when he fell from the camel. Himself is reflexive. Then, these are the books that I kept on the table. These will be demonstrative. The next, the girl who came late was punished. Who is relative. This book is mine. Mine is possessive pronoun. He himself went to buy the clothes, the chocolates. Himself is an emphatic pronoun. The boy who gave the television interview is my friend. Who is a relative pronoun. Neither of them has been to London. Neither will go as indefinite. Okay. The last one, everybody appreciated the child's effort, though he did not win. Everybody is again indefinite. Neither have of them can be, we had learned neither into distributive, so you can put this in distributive pronoun. Okay, children, the ninth sentence. Let's see the neither is distributive. Let's see the next exercise that of 8 sentences that we will be doing. Fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns from the box. Okay. Now there's a help box which is given to you and you have to choose and write. Okay. The first one, either of them can represent the school in the competition since both are good singers. The next one, despite being rivals, Rahul and Vivek do not disrespect each other. The third one, neither of these boys stays in Delhi. Fourth sentence, the students of the entire class looked at one another in surprise when the teacher told them about a surprise test. Would you like to have something? I don't feel like having anything. The next sentence, seventh one, nobody wants to play in the park during the rainy season. And the last one, somebody wants to meet you. Okay, children. So we have used the help box and we have filled in the blank with the suitable pronouns. Let's move on to do the Next exercise. Nakul bought a new stationery set for himself. So this is a reflexive pronoun. Dash is a brilliant idea. That is a brilliant idea is a demonstrative pronoun. Dash of my friends went to Oli. Some of my friends went to Oli. Some is indefinite. We dash carried our luggage out of the railway station. We ourselves carried out the luggage. Okay, and it's an emphatic pronoun. To dash did you address the mail? To whom did you address the mail? Now it's asking a question, so it is an interrogative pronoun. Let's move on to do the next. Shobha called up her parents and told them about her result. So them is personal. The house around the corner is ours. So that is possessive. Ours is possessive. Dash is your favorite writer. Who is your favorite writer is interrogative. Meena has a pet. The pet belongs to her. Her is personal. Okay, belongs to her. Personal. And anyone or someone is knocking at the door. So someone is the correct answer, and it is an indefinite pronoun. Okay, children. Now we'll move on to do another exercise. You have to fill in the blank with suitable pronouns. The teacher. How do dash spell independence? How do we spell independence? Independence. Independence. No, it's independence. 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 Now the teacher. Can you tell me when did India get independence? The student replies, India got its independence on 15 August 1947. So the teacher says, good. Can you tell me what happened in 1950? So the answer is, it became a republic. Okay. So generally students, when we talk about India, we talk about she became a republic. But you can use it became a republic. Okay, children? You might have heard in news and all, they indicate countries as she. Okay. Now, let's see. Choose the correct options and fill in the blanks. Now, there are some blanks given to you and your options are also there. So, let's see this. Jasmine is not coming for the dance class today. Dash told me over the phone. She told me over the phone. Gunpreet bought a nice pen. She gave it to me as a gift. What is she gave it to me? The C option. I cannot find my pair of spectacles. I left dash here on the desk. I left it or them. What do you use, children? I left it here on the desk. Okay. Now, Tara needs a new water bottle. Please buy dash one soon. Please buy Please buy her one soon. Please buy for Tara. Okay. So please buy her one soon. Mr. Patel boarded the wrong bus, so Dash got late for work. So he got late for work. Let's see the next one. I like your paintings. Can you paint one for Dash too? For me too. Okay? When you're using I, you're using for me too. Sania's kite is flying high. Dash is flying higher than Shobna's. Shobna's. It is flying higher than Shobna's. It, the C option. Mr. Nath is our new physics teacher. Dash joined the school yesterday. He joined the school yesterday. Jaya and Anna are working on a project. Dash will submit Dash by tomorrow. They will submit it by tomorrow because it is a project. So you have used it. Okay. Aunt Annie is terrified of dogs. She fears that Dash would bite Dash. She fears that they would bite her. The C option again. Okay. You have only till 13 sentences. Please thank Vani for the saplings that she sent me this morning. The B option. Okay. Where is that blue skirt of yours? Y-O-U-R-S. Yours. The C option. Ritika and Dash will watch a magic show this Saturday. Ritika and I will watch a magic show this Saturday. So, children, I have told you when you use the personal pronoun I along with any other person, okay, with any other person, maybe two persons or three persons. First, you will name them and you will place the I after those persons. Okay, Ritika and I, my teacher and I, my friend and I. Okay, children. So we are done with the exercises. So here, students, we are back together. So children, we are done with the topic of pronouns and the kinds. Quickly, I'll state the kinds. We have done personal pronouns. Then we have done demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, possessive pronouns. After that, we have done relative pronouns, reflexive pronouns, and we had done emphatic pronouns. Today, which were the other three kinds of pronouns that we have learned? We have learned distributive pronouns, we have learned indefinite, and we have learned reciprocal pronouns, children. And we have also done the exercises. Now, I keep telling you, children, that you can refer to other books also to do your exercises. You will have many other books, and you can also access the net on Google. Also, you will find some worksheets. So you can practice sentences on pronouns. You can, when you do reading of a book. So in the book also, you can select or you can underline the pronouns. You can take up a paragraph from your English book itself and you can underline the pronouns, and after underlining the pronouns you can write its kind, state its kind. Like I told you that when you see a paragraph, so the paragraph is made up of so many words, so many sentences, and every sentence is made up of many parts of speech. There are many parts of speech there, and you have done this in your previous classes also, right? So you'll just select from the sentence the nouns, the pronouns, and now there are many more parts of speech that we'll be learning. Okay, prepositions we have, and adjectives we have, and adverbs we have. So you have an idea what these parts of speech are, right? So what you can do is you can read, take up a paragraph and underline all the parts of speech, and you can write. And if you want to go in for detailed learning, supposing you're underlining some noun, okay? My teacher Mrs. Reshma sat on a chair. So teacher is a noun, put it under common. Mrs. Reshma, you will write as proper noun, and chair again you will write as common noun. Yes, chair you will also write as common noun. So what you have done, you've done a detailed finding out of the noun, and then you have stated its kind. Same thing, underline pronouns, and then there are 10 different kinds. So you try to identify their kinds when you are doing your, that paragraph of yours. Okay, children. So self learning is the best learning that you can do. Take little pain. This is going to help you in the future. I keep telling students, read books, children. When you read books, when you read paragraphs, when you read short stories, or any article or any write up, you get anything that you can read it. It will improve not only your vocabulary, but will increase your imagination also. It is going to be so informative that somewhere it is going to help you. Okay, it will help you in your conversation skills as well. Okay, sometimes you come across so many new words, so you can put them in your, take them down in your copy, or you can, use some diary. You can maintain a diary, and in your dictionary you can, find out the meanings of those words, and do self learning, children. Okay, now you're quite big, so start reading short novels. Okay, short stories also. You have done reading short stories. Whenever there's a book fair, you always buy books, so make use of those books now. This is the correct time to use those books. Okay, because you have a lot of free time. So I'm done with my class on pronouns. The next, when we meet, we'll come up with a new topic. Okay, we'll take up a new topic. So till then, children, you be safe at home, and um, do reading also. Thank you.